chart is on AUD USD. So I usually trade AUD USD, GBP USD, Nasdaq, and gold and Euro USD. So right now we are on AUD USD, and I'm gonna show you how I got this trade right here. There's a trade right here. So we are learning forex from scratch. Okay. So first thing first, I was on this trade which I got. So I'm gonna show you two strategies you can use. I could have used on this chart on AUD USD the past week. Okay, so let me first of all remove everything from the chart and start afresh with you guys. Okay, so first of all, we need to analyze our market from the highest time frame to the lowest time frame, and secondly, we need to understand the trend of the market. Let's make trend our friends. Okay, so for me, I usually mark my zones, my support and resistance. I usually trade on support and resistance and trend lines. Okay, trend lines, I usually use trend lines to know where the liquidity is. Okay, now that's so deep, so let me take you slowly as a beginner. Let's learn together from scratch. So on the daily time frame, this is the daily time frame here. So on the daily time frame, what I do, I mark out my zones, where the market is, where the market came from, and where the market could be going. So after understanding that the market is on the on an uptrend, this market is on an uptrend. Okay, so I now need to look for buys. Okay, in AUD USD. So in this market, as soon as I open this chart, you need to analyze and understand where the market is going, and this market is going bullish. Okay, now let's mark where the market came from and where the market is going. Okay, so first of all, you need to mark your areas. I use this rectangle tool and mark where the market is from and where it's going. So as all you can see, if I use this horizontal line, you mark all these rejections where the market broke out from the highest point the market had gone, and then it broke out of that point and then retested it. We call that a support. Previously was a resistance and now it's a support. So right here we can see our level 66,450 was a resistance, and now it's the support. So what we do, we understand how the market broke from this level here. As you can see, let me take this brush. So the market was being rejected here one time, rejection again, rejection again, rejection again, rejection again, and it broke out. Now it's retesting at this level right here. Okay, it's very simple as that. Okay, after understanding that, now we need to continue marking our areas. Okay, now you see, this is the point where the market was being rejected, and now it broke from that point. Let me leave these two arrows here so you can they remain there for your reference, like this, like this. Okay, now the market was being rejected from that zone, and later it broke that from that area, and that area became now a support. It was previously a resistance, now it's a support. Okay, let's go down. Now what we need to look is it's just very simple, and then let's mark where the market the highest point the market had gone. Okay, now the highest point, I use a different color and mark here. I mark 67,149 as the highest point, where the resistance is. This is the resistance where the market got to and then rejected, and now it's coming to retest the zone it broke out of. So that's the level, and then there's another level here. This will be my overall take profit, 69695. So AUD USD coming week, I'm looking for buys to 68695 unless otherwise. Okay, don't mind, I have a cold, but it's gonna be okay. Now what I'm expecting in this trade, I'm gonna show you what I'm expecting. Now since the market broke out here, came here, now it's retesting this where it broke out from, validating this support. It's gonna continue buying. Okay, back to that support, breaking it, retesting back, and continuing. Let me give you a time and observe that. You see, this is exactly what I'm looking for. If the market comes here, my first tip is there, break it, retest that zone, and continue buying. Okay, that's one. Now what I usually do, I go down to the lowest time frame to confirm my entries. Now we are on a daily, so I already know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for buys. Okay, unless on the lower time frame I see other chart patterns or otherwise. So I go down to the 4 hours time frame You get? On the 4-hour time frame, this is it now. You see, this is the 4-hour time frame now. You see, let's say we didn't have this area here. Now you see, as I was telling you, the market must it broke this area, retested this area, you get, continue to the upside. So now this market is continuing to the upside. This is the 4 hours time frame. So what I will do, okay, what I will do, for me to be safe, because I don't want to rush, I will wait for market to come and break this level here, because already this market left us. So I'm saying I'm gonna wait for the market to come and break that level, break 67,149. So after breaking that level, Forex is very simple. After breaking this level, I'm gonna wait for a retest and then a continuation. You get back to my full TP, because this trade already left us here. We could have gotten in from this from this level here. After it broke, came down for a retest and went up. So our first take profit would have been here. If it breaks that zone, retest and then continue. Okay, that's how to trade Forex. It's very simple. You don't need to complicate everything. Now we are on the 4 hours time frame. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame and see if you can get a retest and enter this trade. But already it has left us, so it's good to be patient and wait for your zones. Okay, so we go down to the 4 hours time frame and see that the market already left us already. So what I'm looking for is for this XAUUSD market, okay, for this XAUUSD market to break above this level here, to come back, break this level here, retest and stay above that 67,146 to continue upside. Okay, that's what I'm looking for on XAUUSD, because already this trade left us already. We could have gotten in from this level here and go for longs right here, stop loss that's below this level here, and take profits here. You see 1:3. That's a good risk to reward ratio. You see, I'll be risking maybe 16 pips to get around 60 pips. I'm around, let's see, I'm gonna risk, I would have risked 15 pips to get 60 pips. Okay, it's a good risk to reward ratio. That's what you look for. It's just as simple as that. As simple as that. Do not complicate things. You see, I can even mark this zone here. If you want to complicate things, I can mark these zones here, but it's not good for beginners. Mark that zone here. You see, it broke out of that zone on the 1 hour time frame. It broke, retested, and going up again. So what I'll do, I'll wait for the market to stay above this level here, to stay above that level here. You gets rejected here. You see, this is what I will look for. This is called price action. This is called price action. You wait for the market to stay above or break below. Once it breaks below, you know now what we're looking for. On the hourly time frame, I'm waiting for market to come and break above here with the momentum to come and break above this level here. See that level? I'm waiting for it to come and break that level with momentum. Get? With a big candle, and then retest it. You get? Like that, and then retest that level to continue bullish. But now I'm not sure what the market will do, so you need to wait and see. This market has been rejected severally. Let me use stick a circle. On the 1 hour time frame, the market has been rejected here. It's very simple to understand Forex. 1 time, 2 time, and that time here, okay, and where the market is currently is right here. Okay, this is where the market has been rejected from. So it's very simple to understand this. You wait for them to see what the market broke here, retested, and now it's buying. Now you want to see this market should stay above this level here. The market should stay above this level here. You see this level here? The market should stay above that level to continue with the bullish. Okay, and right now the market should stay above this level here. You see this level here? The market should also stay above this level here. The market should stay above that level. Let me give you a like let's say a blue color above this blue rectangle. Okay, as simple as that. Do not complicate your charts. The easier the better. Do not overcomplicate and use risk to reward. That's support and resistance. Let's now go to trend line. Okay, for those people who use trend lines to trade this market. Okay, let me remove this everything there and go back to the 1 hour time frame. Same thing. I now mark our zones the same way you mark the zones where the market is from and where the market is going, like that. And then after that, go down to the lower time frame, to the, let's say, to the 1 hour. For trend lines, I trust more the 1 hour. Okay, now depending on the pair, but me, I trust more the 1 hour time frame if I want to draw my trend lines. Okay, now take this underneath there, pick your trend line and draw from like this. You see, either body to body or candle to candle. You see, that's the trend line. Now I need to change some color here because it's crashing kidogo. So like that. So you need to draw your trend line from body to body. Now trend lines, if you notice very carefully, this market came and respected. You see the market respected this triangle that we drew, and also it stayed above that trend line. You see, the market stayed above this trend line that we drew. If the market broke this, let me use this path. If the market broke here, retested it, it's a sell. As simple as that. It's a sell. Market Forex is so simple, so simple. Okay, it's a sell. This is called a 90 rule. Okay, 90% rule. Now that's as simple as that. You get as simple as that. This is for trend lines. Okay, trend lines and support and resistance. Now, because of a trend line, if I wanted to continue buying this pair, have waited for the market to come to this trend line and then continue bullish, which it did. It never broke this trend line, and it continued bullish. That's as simple as that. That's how you trade Forex. This is XAUUSD episode 1, learning Forex from scratch. Follow, subscribe, and comment down below for any question. Peace.